Good morning, everybody. It is the 12th of September. These little birdies are roughly 12 days old. We're kind of saying they were born on the 1st, even though they were born probably a day before that. So one of the things that you'll learn is people will say, well, the birds will tell you what they need. And here's a classic example of the birds telling us what they need. They're all huddled around this water and they're fighting to get drinks. That shouldn't really be. Now, they're going to be a little aggressive like this every now and then, but what this is telling us is that they're ready for a bigger waterer. They're ready to have more space, more availability of water, and it could be because they're outside now. It's most likely they're just getting bigger. So what I'm going to do here in a little while is I'm going to switch out their waterer for the next bigger size. But as you can see, all 15 of them are growing. They're healthy. They did great their first night out on the front porch, and they're just happy as can be. All right, I'll check in when we get the new waterer. Okay, so here's their new chicken water. As you can see, it's a little bit up on stilts, which will help their necks. It's bigger, so it has a bigger capacity to hold more water. And the ring around it's larger, so more of the birds can get drinks at the same time. What we see is that they really like it when we do this change. So let's see. The other side to it is, you can see I just put this water in here and it's already dirty. So hopefully they'll be able to keep this one a little cleaner. Let's see if they can reach it. Can you reach it, birdies? Well, I'm sure they can. Now they're not interested in it. Of course. Come here, little girl. Come see if you can get a drink. Can you reach that? Can you reach that? We'll have to watch them and see if they're getting any drinks later. If they're not getting drinks, we'll have to take it off the stilts. But, of course, they're just perfectly satisfied at this point. Let's cover them up, see if I can get them to take a drink. Well, we'll just watch them. We'll be out here several times. Their little bodies are nice and warm, so that's good. All right, we'll check in with them in a little while.